Right, folks, it's around here somewhere. Right, so the location's telling me it's in this area. It's pretty much put me in this area here. Ah, oh, it's there, look. It's there. So yeah, pretty straightforward one, guys. This one. But the logbook looks soaked. Butterfly, that's nice. I like the tub. Cricket. Cricket. It's pretty cool.
Look, damn. Oh, damn it.
Come on then. Right, we're on the prowl for another geocache. Oh, it's easy, this one. Easy find. Looking for this one. It's another tub, another really good tub. Right. Yay, another geocache found. It's not covered it very well. So I love these type of geocaches. You don't get them very often nowadays, to be fair. It's a fake rock. They are good, these fake rocks. Always good. Have a look, see if you can find it, Joss. It's round here somewhere. Look round the side.
I know, I see them.
Oh, you see it?
Stealthily trying to extract it.
Whee! Right, ready? Sit. See what I see. Can you reach it, Jazz? Ooh. Wow, awesome. Bring it out then. Yeah. Right there. Oh wow.
Got a code in it.
B equals 1.
Oh, it's another made by George.
George has got a thing in here.
Oh.
Not sure what it's meant to be, but
There's a Lego thing in it.
made by George. And then a magnet thing. I don't know what it is. We're not gossiping, we're networking.
Please go and leave at home.
That's about it, really. A few cards in there and lots of mushy stuff.
Right, one cache there.
So we found this amazing geocache. I'm going to cover it over. But we don't get many of these in the UK, so absolutely brilliant to spot this. So thank you to the guy who placed it. It's amazing. But I'm not going to give away its location, obviously. But yeah, brilliant.